I can't bring this, the first engineer in. I keep getting the bombs all the time.
Watch out for left, it's going down.
Sniper fish out.
I have the bomb.
What, Nilo? Okay. I'll try to pick it up.
I get it now.
Get some DPS on the first one. Needs to die soon.
Kill the second one on your left side. Do you have grip, Harry?
Yeah.
I got it.
I'm in trouble. Fucks.
I'll help you.
I've torn.
Kill the engine, please.
Second roughly.
Go away.
I need her. Yeah, never mind.
Did you have to roll when we are done?
PS Mopa.
Roughly set.
Which Gwén?
Range, get it up.
Holy shit.
You hit us out of range. Kills engineers.
Sniffy sack me.
And kill skull, kill skull.
Spring.
I'm taking a lot of
We
damage.
still have one engineer. I'll taunt engineer 2 with melee.
The Slag Elemental is gonna go now.
Elementalist.
3, 2, 1. God is loose.
Bomb back close to melee.
DDR and bar.
Hit your stunning in a rupture.
Cross. It's yeah, go for cross.
Bergersen.
Second Elemental.
Fire
Elemental.
spawning now, Harry.
An Elementalist.
Three,
Okay,
two,
dropping it. 2, 1.
Shot elementalist. And Sniffy, you're next. Druid.
I can't interrupt.
Golden skull. Interrupt skull and move it.
5, 4, 3,
I need to these fire quarters.
1.
Alright, go. Fire quarters spawn now, Harry.
Elementalist. Chile, you can bring your to the Elementalist.
I need a master.
Get some damage out of cross. Kill cross.
Fire quarters dead.
Yeah, finish off. Start dot the skull, start with the skull. And low use Fox, now, move, everyone.
DDR and bar.
Kill skull. Sack on green mark.
Yeah, I can't interrupt the fire quarter.
Move melee. I've got full help.
They're in here, don't worry about it. 2.
Yep.
I'm dead, rest me.
5, 4.
Elementalist.
Do you have an next one?
Elementalist.
I didn't smoke them, so it's up.
3,
Fire quarters dead.
2.
Cross Sabbath, bring it in. Oh, sorry, nice kill. Kill
Sniffy
cross.
stack.
Kill cross.
Fire quarters spawn now, Harry.
Finish off Elementalist.
I need a master.
Use your smoke bomb now.
Range stack on Saki, yours.
Let's go.
Yeah,
Range stack on Diamond.
Yeah, I gotta go home and bring it over. 5
Elementalist. Go for Elementalist.
On next one, Harry, use your MC.
Interrupt
5 holders now, Harry.
Interrupt cross anyone, please. And cleave the cross.
Sorry, what did you say?
I got it.
Okay.
I can't.
5,
I couldn't interrupt that heal.
3,
Two cross.
Roughly set.
Finish off the Elementalist now. Yes.
Trank.
I got my tower done as well.
Didor. Get the boss to circle, stack on me, I'm the square. Stack on the if you get melt in the back. Kill off the security guards. I run security guard.
Whoa.
Melt Sabo, get away.
Popping barrier.
Sack me roughly.
Oh, if you're fixating, don't stand in clumped up.
Where do I go? This
Taunt now.
Back. You just melt Mars, get back Mars.
Do you want to cleave the elementals?
No. Sniffy, get back. We can move the boss, move the boss. You can do it now for us too.
I'm taunting.
Melt on pink.
Want me to aim set as soon as it's up, Sniffy?
Sack me, Sniffy.
Yes.
We can move forward, move with the boss, melt on Oka. If I low, use a Hellstone. DD melt, get back.
Pierce me open.
Chain cooldowns now. As soon as there's...
We can move the boss. If you can interrupt the ass, please do it. Move forward, chili, melt.
I'm taunting.
Smoking is up in 3 seconds.
Yeah, just...
DD Ironheart crowd.
Fox is up as well. If you wanted to hold
I got you hit.
Okay.
Melt chili, move boss forward, move forward.
Yeah, I'm bombing Siege.
Descendants.
I'm taking boss. I'm taking.
Amp
Yeah.
no more. Go for amp.
And Gwén, I need vigil me.
DD melt.
How long to blood lost?
2 minutes.
Yeah, you need.
Move forward, boss.
I'm top.
Mental ping.
Sack me, Sniffy.
We have ping and Thrall for usage.
Tide's ready in 10 seconds.
Amp, ping.
I'm dead.
Stiffy of sack.
Lie down.
Trank and Fox. Trank and Fox.
Sack me, roughly.
Move forward. Calm down.
We want G-pop.
Got healing tide in 10 seconds.
Just pop everything when it comes up.
Yeah, lost as soon as it comes off. It's 10 seconds.
DJ, please melt. Tonics.
I need every CD window.
Healing time.
Whenever you get.
Stun.
Oh!
Power barrier.
I need every.
No.
Need something on a bra. Oh, come on, kill this fucking
Come on.
Yes!
Oh my
Fuck yeah.
Holy
Fucking hell. Fucking shit.
Fuck.
Fight.
Fuck this
Oh my
boss. Shit.
So hard boss, as soon
Holy
as we
shit.
sorted phase 1. It's fucking hilarious.